As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two Char-Broil grills, and I'm kind of stuck. One's the Classic Series 2-burner, and the other is the American Gourmet 3-burner. Any thoughts?
Oh yeah, I know those. The 2-burner is more compact, right?
Exactly. The 2-burner has a 280 square inches cooking area, while the 3-burner boasts 360 square inches plus a 170 square inch warming rack. So a bigger cooking surface is one of the major differences.
Definitely a significant difference if you're cooking for more people. What about the burners themselves?
The 2-burner puts out 20,000 BTUs total, while the 3-burner cranks it up to 30,000, distributed across three 10,000 BTU burners. But I've read that BTU isn't everything.
True, it's about how efficiently the grill uses that heat. Both have porcelain-coated wire grates, which are decent for heat retention and easy cleaning.
And the 2-burner has a side burner, an 8,000 BTU one, for sauces and stuff. The 3-burner doesn't have a side burner, but does have two side shelves.
Yeah, that side burner could be handy. I guess it depends on whether you prefer having a side burner or more shelf space. What about size and weight?
The 2-burner is lighter, at 37.5 pounds and smaller overall. The 3-burner is 48.5 pounds and a bit wider. Dimensions are 24.1 dx51, 0.2 inches, wx43.5h, compared to the 2-burner's 24.1 dx45.6 inches, wx43.5 inches h.
So portability and storage might be better with the 2-burner. What's the price difference looking like?
The 2-burner is around $139 and the 3-burner around $215. So the 3-burner is noticeably more expensive.
Okay, that helps a lot. If you're grilling just for yourself or a small group, the 2-burner seems like a good value, especially with the side burner. But if you regularly cook for a larger group, the 3-burner's extra space might be worth the extra cost.
Right. And both have good customer reviews, though the 3-burner seems to have slightly higher ratings overall. I think I'm leaning towards the 3-burner, just for the extra space.
Sounds like a plan. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.